Hey all! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Kamaltechvlog, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, I'm diving into how you can create an AI video in under 2 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 2 minutes. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just curious about the possibilities, this is going to be a game changer for you. First things first, you'll need an AI video creation tool. These tools are designed to make the process as seamless as possible. There are several out there, but for this example, I'll use Synthesia. It's user-friendly and powerful, making it perfect for both beginners and pros. Head over to their website and sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and quick. Don't worry, they offer a free trial to get you started. This way, you can explore all the features without any commitment. Once you're in, click on Create New Video. This will take you to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from. These templates are designed to suit different styles and purposes. Pick one that matches your style or the message you want to convey. The right template can make a huge difference in how your video is perceived. For instance, if you're making a tech review, there's a sleek, modern template that's perfect for you. It's all about making your content shine. Now, let's add some content. This is where you can really personalize your video. Type in your script or use their AI to generate one for you. The AI can help you craft a compelling narrative if you're short on time or ideas. This is where the magic happens. The AI takes your input and transforms it into a professional script. You can even select a virtual presenter to deliver your lines. This adds a human touch to your video without needing to be on camera yourself. Choose one that resonates with your audience. There are various avatars to pick from, each with unique styles and voices. You can tweak the tone and pace of the presentation to match your brand's voice. Next up, visuals. This is crucial for keeping your audience engaged. You can upload your own images and videos or choose from their extensive stock media library. This gives you a lot of flexibility in how your video looks. Drag and drop your selections into the timeline. It's super intuitive and makes the editing process a breeze. Make sure the visuals align with your script for maximum impact. Don't forget about subtitles. They're more important than you might think. These are crucial for accessibility and engagement. Subtitles ensure that your content is understood by a wider audience. Synthesia auto-generates clean subtitles with no outline, just like we need. This saves you a lot of time and effort. Double-check them for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. It's always good to review to ensure everything is perfect. Now, for the finishing touches. This is where you can add those extra elements that make your video stand out. Add background music from the YouTube audio library. Music sets the tone and can make your video more engaging. Pick something upbeat and techy to keep your viewers hooked. The right music can make a big difference in viewer retention. Adjust the volume so it complements your narration without overpowering it. Balance is key to a professional-sounding video. Finally, hit render and wait for your AI video to process. This is the moment where all your hard work comes together. This usually takes just a few minutes. The processing time is impressively quick, so you won't be waiting long. Once it's done, download the video, and you're ready to upload it to your channel. It's that simple. Don't forget to add the Kamaltechvlog watermark text. This helps protect your content and brand it as your own. And there you have it. A professional AI video created in under 2 minutes. It's amazing what technology can do. A professional AI video created in under 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the endless possibilities of technology.